This was Market Day at Durham Marketplace, packed with young entrepreneurs. 10 schools, real products, real customers. But it didn't start here. Welcome to FBM Market Makers, a proven programme where creativity, confidence and real-world enterprise come to life for Year 6 pupils across County Durham. It builds on the success of 2025, continuing a growing legacy of impact, ambition and belief in young people. Across 10 weeks, pupils stepped into real roles: designers, marketers, project managers and entrepreneurs. They explored the fundamentals of business, from customer needs to budgeting and profit, while developing skills that supported them in the classroom every day.
I actually wanted a dream to be a lawyer, like to make my own company or something like that. I wanted to be like a businessman. So when Charlie comes in, this gives me more hope.
It's a nice break from doing loads of work on a Tuesday afternoon, especially with SATs coming up. It's just like a fun afternoon.
It shows me that if you work hard enough, you can reach any of your goals and you can make your own business from scratch and that you can do anything.
With support from mentors and creative businesses, ideas turned into products and lessons turned into something tangible. And it didn't stop at the classroom. Families and communities got involved, helping bring these ideas to life. But this programme led to one big moment. On the 25th of April, Durham Market became a student-run business hub. Each school ran a stall, each pupil became a trader, a moment when learning meets the real world.
Very exciting so far, even though we've just started. We've already had loads of sales and our colleagues have been working really hard to bring in other people to make more sales.
As soon as she comes home from school, she can't wait to tell us, her brother and her sister, all about where they're at with the project. She can't wait to get to school when she knows it's going to be a day that Sam's going to come in and they're going to be working on the project. Her and a couple of her friends have already now decided that they've got a newfound passion for crocheting, and maybe they could set up a stall in school, and maybe hoping that they can have a stall at the school fair. So they've really been inspired.
I definitely recommend this. I think that this is something that all schools should do. With people coming in, working from the outside, giving them their own experiences as well. It just gives them a whole different perspective of life, of things that, the teachers teach them a lot. And the parents and carers can do as well. But seeing someone from the outside who's experienced things, who's travelled, it's just been lovely to hear those stories coming from my child as well. So it's been really wonderful.
One child who's joined us recently has found school a little bit challenging, the functional school day. With this, he's come out of his shell. The impact it's had on him has made him enjoy school so much more. So it's thank you to you guys, and it's something that I'd love to see continue throughout school going forward.
From creativity and teamwork to independence and self-belief, the impact goes far beyond the day itself. Building on last year's success, Market Makers continues to grow, giving more young people the chance to realise what they're capable of. They didn't just learn about enterprise, they lived it.